Just in time for the holidays! Hey, little Starbucks fans, you know what a PSL is? Well, check this out. This is a PSF coming up. If you haven't seen my Alfredo video, please go check that out. I'll put the link right there. Go check that out. Come back to this video because all we're doing is we're gonna add these simple ingredients to that Alfredo sauce to make it a pumpkin Alfredo sauce. All right, so for your ingredients, you're gonna need pumpkin puree. I have fresh ground nutmeg, pumpkin spice, and our fettuccine pasta. So for the first step, we're gonna go ahead and drop our pasta in the water. 12 minutes on this pasta. Make sure you stir your pasta when you first drop it in so it doesn't stick together. While your pasta is going, we're gonna finish our Alfredo sauce. We're gonna add a tisp of our nutmeg, tisp aka teaspoon. We're also gonna add our pumpkin puree. Now this is all on low heat. We just wanna get all these flavors incorporated together. So I did a few tablespoons of that. We're gonna mix. Now, if your sauce is too thick, you can go ahead and add a little tiny bit of water just to give it that more saucy consistency, less gravy consistency. I may add some more pumpkin puree because I want this to be more orange, so I'm going to add more. So, always pull your pasta about 2 minutes before the required cooking time. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish cooking it in the sauce in a pan. And that way it's gonna absorb all that beautiful sauce flavor as much as possible. So you always pull your pasta when it's extremely al dente, and then we finish it like this, right in the pan. Okay, so that's it. Our pasta has cooked in the sauce. So now I'm gonna go ahead and plate this. I'm gonna finish it with a little bit of that pumpkin spice on top, and I'm also gonna finish it with a beautiful little garnish of basil. Pumkin Alfredo! Sexy! Okay, everybody, please, silence in the court. Ice, and I have the music up too loud, so let me adjust that and I'll get right back to you. Thank you. Pumpkin puree, I have some nutmeg, and I have some... Cut!
Just say simple ingredients. You already said that.
You kicked the camera. Now we're out of whack. We're okay? Well, the camera looks like it's over here. Well, there you go. That looks better. And also, we have the fettuccine Alfredo. Do you have my tongs over there? I need those. Rinse, please.
I can't see you.
Okay, because I'm not on my camera. Oh, what am I saying? What am I saying? I don't even remember now.
Oh, the ingredients.